Hey everyone, Michael here from Brooklyn Pasta Lab. Just wanted to thank you all for your support last week as we transitioned into shipping our pasta kit. I just wanted to go over the ordering process for anybody new here or anybody that has ordered with us in the past using our old ordering system. Now our menu is always live 24/7 and you can order at any time, not just on Mondays like we used to do. Before ordering, you'll be able to see which ship dates are available on our menu page. Once you select what you would like to order and you arrive at the checkout page, that's when you'll be able to choose your ship date. We ship Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with ground shipping in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Connecticut. All orders will arrive at your door in one business day and sometimes can take up to 2 days depending on your area. But no worries, as everything is shipped in insulated boxes to maintain quality and freshness. Upon receiving your order, you should refrigerate or freeze your pasta kits depending on when you want to cook them. You can refrigerate everything up to 3 days or store it in the freezer for 14 days. The idea is we want to provide you all with the highest quality fresh pasta, sauces, and Italian classics that can be enjoyed right away when you receive your order, or it can be stored in the freezer to have on hand for a quick, easy, delicious meal at any time. I hope you all enjoyed your pasta kits this week and can't wait to serve you again soon.